How to make money on YouTube. YouTube is one of the most trending social media platforms and has given us so many millionaires just with publishing content on it. The creator economy has expanded YouTube monetization alternatives. Creative and hardworking YouTubers can make money. But what is the process? How can you reach the peak of success and fill your bags with money? Still confused? Don't worry, we got your back for special tips. Watch this video till the end. Earn with ads as a YouTube Partner Program member. The best, easiest, and secured way to earn via YouTube is to join YouTube's Partner Program to make money from commercials. You see ads before playing any YouTube video. That's the first way a YouTuber earns money with their videos, but not all of them have access to this. Want to know how to access this? Here's the answer. To become a YouTube partner, you need over 1,000 subscribers, and you must also have 4,000 watch hours in the past year. These are the basic requirements needed. But in order to be a successful YouTube earner, you must meet these additional requirements too. Firstly, follow YouTube's video monetization requirements. Your location must qualify so that you can connect to Google AdSense, which is the platform that handles the monetization aspects. And for further processing, you need not to worry because the monetization page tracks YouTube Studio subscriptions and views. And once you meet the basic requirement of earning, YouTube will tell you how many YouTube views are needed to generate money. First of all, you need to know that views don't give you money. The click does because you're paid only when a viewer clicks one of your video's ads. Influencer Marketing Hub believes the median YouTube channel generates $18 per 1,000 ad views. $3 to $5 per 1,000 views assumes a 30% to 50% ad view through rate. Amazed, right? But let me tell you that you can earn more on YouTube apart from following these steps. Want to know how? Come let me tell you. Take a cut with affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing may be the best way to monetize product review videos on YouTube. But how it works? Firstly, join an affiliate program like Amazon Associates or any of your choice. Then, if accepted, you'll use their technology to build unique linkages to your film's products. This sounds complex, right? Let me break this for you. Firstly, you need to upload a product demo, review, or mention to YouTube about your product's links or products connected to your video, and then include your affiliate links in the description box so that your views click on that link and add balance to your account. Don't get confused. Let me tell you that your affiliate link earns you a commission when a consumer buys a product. But for this, I'll make a brand deal first. So coming to our next point, land a brand deal and make sponsored content. Brand deals are sponsorship or product placement offers from firms interested in accessing your channel's audience for promotional remarks. And here, the essential word is audience. As your channel grows in popularity, you may approach business partners that complement your offerings. And don't forget that brand agreements can yield one-time payments, sales-based income, or free goods and services for the partner. By the way, you can bring some new things on the table like our next point. Sell some merch. If your viewers are interested, provide product or service links in your films. If you know Mark Brownlee, the creator of MKBHD, then you will know that he links to his retail store in every video description. So you can do the same by selling ebooks, art prints, and online courses without inventory or a manufacturer. Before advertising your goods, ensure a secure payment method. It's not a guideline, but a tip from our side. And last but not the least, offer memberships. Let me get it clear to you. Subscription services are another way to monetize viewers. Subscribers pay a small monthly fee for more features and access, which will help you earn easily. And now comes the biggest question. How much money can you make on YouTube? As you know that, viral YouTubers with millions of subscribers can make seven figures, and content makers with smaller audiences can nonetheless make a decent side or full-time income. That depends totally on your content and viewers. For example, Forbes says that Steven John, creator of the enormously popular kids channel Blippi, made $17 million in 2020 thanks to his 8.2 billion YouTube views and 27.4 million subscribers. That accomplishment is rare, right? YouTube entrepreneur and co-author of YouTube Secrets, Sean Cannell advocates affiliate marketing as the best way for new YouTubers to make money. In a 2021 video, he promises you can earn $500 per week with the right niche and marketing strategy. But my dear friends, don't expect to get rich on YouTube until you work hard with patience, because YouTube earnings involve time, effort, and a loyal audience. So we hope now you understand how to make money on YouTube clearly, and these tips are gonna help you throughout your journey. For more such videos, do subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like our